If you're still processing NGS and third-generation sequencing data the old-fashioned way, you're losing hours to manual workflows. Today, we're changing that using AI-driven bioinformatics. I'm going to show you how to leverage cutting-edge GitHub tools and Codex to automate your calculations and speed up your pipeline. No fluff, just a fast, practical, step-by-step walkthrough covering the math, the code, and the execution. By the end of this video, you'll have a modern AI pipeline ready to run. Let's dive in. If you're just getting started, you can choose the free or go plan to get limited access to Codex. It's a great way to try it out and perform simple coding tasks or basic analysis. If you need more power, consider upgrading to the Plus or Pro plan. These plans unlock expanded Codex usage, giving you higher usage limits and access to more advanced coding and analysis capability. Simply download the Windows or macOS version to your computer, install it, and you're good to go. In just a few minutes, you'll have Codex running locally on your desktop. To get started, click this icon to create a new project. Select the Approve for Me option. Select Plan Mode to optimize token usage. Next, select the GPT 5.6 Terra model, set the effort level to medium, and keep the speed setting on standard. Open the GitHub page for the tool you're interested in, copy its URL, and paste it into the prompt box. Enter your instructions or paste your prompt into the prompt box. Drag and drop the FAA files generated from the bacterial genome into the prompt box, then click the Send button. The task was completed in 15 minutes and 30 seconds. You can view the matrix and heat map in the PDF report. As you can see, the entire process is simple, fully automated, and requires minimal user intervention. It even detects and resolves common issues automatically. Download the free version of Codex today, give it a try, and discover how artificial intelligence can transform your bioinformatics workflow. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more content.